Why don't you just let go and quiet down your ego? Don't complain about finance. I know your daddy wasn't a real man. Go ahead and live your dreams. To me, you're stronger.
Hello, my gingerbread and jelly bean. Hope everybody is okay. I hope you guys watched the video. I hope you guys enter the competition to win the free t-shirt. That's a must. You guys, if you guys want to win, then you guys have to enter to basically win the t-shirt. So go over there and enter under the video. The instruction is very simple. You just comment, subscribe, like the video, share it, and you'll be entered into the competition, into the raffle. One gingerbread and one jelly bean will be selected for that free t-shirt. You can also find the t-shirt at the website in the link below. So if you go below in the comment section, you will find the link. My umbrella. So you will find a link there. So you can go over there and check it out. So it's called free t-shirt competition. I'll get some mail from our bank and stuff, from our bicycle properly. So yeah, so today I'm going on the road. It's snowing right now. Going to New York Open. As you can see, snowing. It's snowing. So I'm dressed all set for this. It's raining, but the funny thing about this rain, it looks like it's rain, but then it turns into ice as it reaches the ground. It's very weird. And then I'm taking public transportation. Listen, if it's too cold, I'm gonna turn back and go and come back. But I gotta tough it out and see how it goes. My gingerbread and jelly bean, this is nowhere to be right now. I'm out of the middle of nowhere, as you can see. Let me show you guys, it's coming down heavy. Literally out in Long Island, as the stadium over there, you guys can see. It's bad. It's heavy snow on the ground. What? There's a stadium, a big stadium there. That's it. So that's where I'm trying to reach. The snow is blowing to the right side. So yeah, that's where I'm going, guys. I'm late. I'm supposed to reach at 11 o'clock. I don't know if they're going to let me in with my ticket, to be honest with you. Hopefully they let me in with my ticket. Even though I'm late, 12:01, I'm 2 hours late. Match started already, it's tennis, but certain matches takes a while, but hopefully they let me in and I don't waste all my time coming so far away. Let's look at this. Look at this, people. This is a parking lot and it's all snow. All snow. The place is empty. Just a few cars. That's so bad it is. Oh, my hands are freezing already. This is crazy. But I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog. Make sure you go over to the t-shirt section. Watch the video. Win a free t-shirt, peeps. Yeah. I'm giving away one t-shirt to a gingerbread and one t-shirt to a jelly bean. So go over there. Enter to win. Support the t-shirt as well. If you want to buy, you can buy. I really appreciate it. Going to get a better camera than this one as well. So You know, I hope you guys are enjoying these vlogs. Decided that I'm going to vlog in the snow. It's cold as hell. Listen, if I get hit down, I get hit down. But anyway, going to the entrance and stuff. Woo! I definitely. Oh, the ground is slippery. Snow is blowing so hard, people. So hard. Oh, look at that big chunk of snow. That snow is so bad. And I can feel my foot slipping away. Oh, Jesus. Oh, look at that snow, people. Oh, God. Oh, God. Hello. Sure. Thank you.
You have a car?
No car.
You can't bring in the sofa.
There's a camera.
But yeah, but this.
It's a tripod.
Yeah, you can't bring that.
Camera here? Why?
Because it's not allowed.
It's not allowed?
Sofa sticks or a tripod.
The camera is allowed though? Because I brought
Yeah,
it
the
last
camera's
year.
allowed.
I brought it with me last year. So I came to the same, let me show you my tickets.
For today? Your ticket?
Yeah.
Now you gotta show them.
Oh, for sure, okay.
Is everything out your pockets? And unbuckle your jacket?
Oh, okay.
No, you don't have to take it off.
Oh. That's a lot of my stuff.
No, I'll talk to you about
Where can I leave them here and come back for them when I'm done?
You can eat it right now.
Alright. Could I have a watch?
No. You sure everything's out your pocket?
Yeah. My belt is metallic.
What about your jacket pocket?
Yeah, everything. I appreciate it.
You good? Oh, can you stand here? No.
Push.
It's away from my
Should I go through?
no, because this is not allowed. So yeah, I don't know what they want you to do with that.
I can't show it to you, it's expensive. So guys, my tripod, they're saying that the tripod can't come in. So I'm gonna try and talk to the security, basically to see what can happen with that. So I'll catch you guys after I finish, so I'll be right. Alright guys, I'm here at New York Open. They took away the tripod, so I don't have any tripod to hold the camera, so I'm holding the camera regularly like I normally do. They're breaking now, but I'm just going to give you a view of everything that's going on. There's two courts basically, and it's tennis. Those two courts are going on. So as you can see, so that's the entire stadium. As you can see, it's a bit empty, but I'm watching the match down there and stuff, so that's just everybody that's there pretty much. So it's a great type of surface and stuff like that. Alright, so basically that's where I'm at now. So I'm going to enjoy the tennis and catch you guys back when I'm leaving or checking out the rest of the place. So see you guys soon. Listen, guys, when you love sports, you multitask. Champions League going on, and I'm watching tennis live. Can't really miss Champions League. Tennis is fun as well, but when you love sports, you just have to do what you have to do. Pick up on yourself, same way. Still at tennis, watching tennis and stuff like that. Watching Champions League at the same time. Manchester United versus PSG. Alright, so I'll catch you guys soon. Alright. Bye. Really enjoyed it. I didn't even give you guys a tour of the place, but this is how it looks. So, yeah, you guys know how a stadium looks, so. Yeah, I'm about to enter into the light. The slushy snow. So I'm about to enter that and go home. So yeah, you guys wish me luck. Oops. See you guys later. I'm gonna get ready to go outside because it's super cold, so I'm gonna wrap up on stuff. Bye bye.